Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a VPN app that will help you secure your internet connection, add an extra layer of protection, and enhance your online activities. This app is available on the Google Play Store, so let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Fly Net VPN. From the results, make sure to select the correct app by checking the name and icon, then install it on your device. Once installed, open the app to set it up. If you're new here, take a moment to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. When the app opens, make sure your device has an active internet connection. The app will automatically update itself to the latest version to ensure it works correctly. Next, choose a server. You can pick any server you prefer, but for this guide, I recommend selecting All Country Internet with a UDP connection. UDP is fast, secure, and works for most countries. If it doesn't work for your location, simply tap and choose your country instead. Finally, tap the Start button to connect. Once connected, your internet will be secured, fast, and protected. And that's it! This is how you set up Fly Net VPN to enjoy a safe and stable online connection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. See you in the next video.